You want that for the hair?
Yes. So you get a piece of rag. I would recommend a material with little or no rubber, and then you start twisting. Twist tightly.
Now you want to throw the hair? Can you use it?
No, I take to the stuff I use. And then twist tightly.
Twist and bonnet style hair.
Ah, no.
I think people they use sharp, but she they fear.
Yeah.
Turn tightly, and then
Is that one not paying you that?
I was telling you. If you do it once,
turn tightly, and then you begin to twist. Tightly.
Alright, guide one.
This thing now work. Hi, my hand.
You say buy that. I'm not going to benefit you along the way.
I did. You know, consign you. This stuff hurts the thumb and your index finger so much.
Cut and small.
So much. Yes, my goodness, my thumb. Kai. Yes. So now I have this. Thank you very much. The very first one. With any band of your choice. Hold here. Now you have yourself this.
Ah, this is okay now.
And that's that.
I guess can I tell you say make a plate?
You can't have yourself. You want to play.
So after turning your piece of rag to a fire touch, the next step is to apply oil to your braids. In this video, I used coconut oil because it was like the only oil I could spare. I couldn't have used my argan oil for something like this. Besides, I make my coconut oil myself, and I don't really have much use for coconut oil, so it was easy for me to use something like this. I also used hair cream. I also applied hair cream to the braids as well. If you have just hair cream to spare, fine, you could use just hair cream. The idea behind the oil or cream is just to prevent the fire from causing damage to the braids. So next, I have my fire touch here. This I've had in the past, and I've used it for like 2 braids previously. So that's the good thing about something like this. After putting yourself through that stress of twisting and turning, you get to use it for a while. You could use it for like 2-3 times. So I dipped the tip of the rag in kerosene slightly, like you don't want the rag having too much kerosene and then it's burning so much. And then I obviously lit it with matches or anything, like struck a fire to it. That's the main thing. And just as y'all can see me do in the video, I'm rubbing the rag on the braid. But the trick here is to do this fast. Like you don't want to, be slow on this and then your braids get burnt or stuff like that. So just in a fast motion, rub the rag on the braid. And because of the oil, the fire is going to catch those. It's going to catch, the hairs we want to trim out. It's going to catch it really fast and all of that. So guys, this is how I trim my braids. It saves time. It's more effective. Honestly, it's really more effective because I'm like a perfectionist. If I was to trim this braid one by one. I'd virtually sleep on trimming this braid, honestly, because I would spend so much time on one. I would want to be sure like there's no hair on that strand of braid at all. So I'll find myself really sleeping on one. I've tried it in the past and it didn't work for me. In fact, I found myself like giving people the braids to trim because I would rather someone else trims it, whichever way it's trimmed. At least I don't get to watch them as they are doing it to get that kind of stuff. But if I was the one doing it, man, I would virtually sleep on the braid. So when I discovered this, I was like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. When I discovered this, I was super happy because this takes 10 minutes tops. 10 minutes, honestly, because you know, it's not something you waste time doing. You're moving your hands really fast, and it's the fire is doing the work it's supposed to do and all of that. So it takes not more than 10 minutes. As if it's even going to take up to 10 minutes. And then another thing here is be really careful at the bottom of the braids, because you know the bottom of the braids are super tiny and this is fire and all of that. So be really careful at the bottom of the braid. I most of the time skip the bottom of the braid because the braid will still be soaked in hot water and that the bottom area is going to really slip. And I will still use scissors to cut off the ends, you know, to make the ends look smooth and all of that. I'll still use scissors to cut off the ends. So that's it, guys. Till my next video, stay blessed, stay out of trouble, and please do well to subscribe to this. And please do well to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and share to anyone you think might find the video useful. Thank you all so very much. Bye bye.